You planning a trip?
Your friends want a trip. You want sanity. Welcome to Getaway. It all begins with a name. Make it something cool, like Escape from Greg. Your budget is in Canadian dollars. Your heart is in Bali. We support both. Invite the crew. Yes, especially the one who thinks vibes are a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
We are vibing!
Add ideas, drag them around, and yes, you can use emojis. You're planning a trip, not filing taxes. Make a new category just for wine bars and bad decisions.
And they have that tiny little wine bar.
Wine bar, cigar bar.
A liquor store and a wine bar.
Let the AI show you what's good. Like a helpful local, but faster. One click. Add to trip. This is the ooh, that looks good moment.
That looks so good.
However your brain works, we've got a view for it. Add costs. Star the stuff you must do. Tell your friends what to order.
You have linguine?
Add your stay. Add your activities. Suddenly, your chat is becoming real.
Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Needs booking, aka someone else's problem. Yes, you have to walk. But now, at least you know how far.
Too far, Amy. Too far.
Can't decide where to eat. Let democracy decide.
Now I need to figure out what to do with the rest of this.
Track your costs. Cry a little. Keep going. A little broke. A lot of memories. Getaway. Trip planning for people who actually want to go.